No, her camera, her phone. Good job. Put your head.
Take my hand and lead me through the night. Take my hand and show me what it's like.